If you are still relying on Instagram adverts in 2026, we have left you behind. Every day on social media, I see posts like this. Instagram ads is not working. I've spent a lot of money. I'm not making sale. Yada 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 yada. While everyone is fighting for attention on Instagram, some business owners are smart and fast enough to move to TikTok. I started running TikTok adverts for my business last year, May, April. And the result has been amazing. I've seen people come from TikTok and buy what I sell. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you from my experience. No fluff, no whatnot, but how to run TikTok adverts that convert into sales. Let's jump right in. To run TikTok adverts, I would be using my business page as an experiment for you to learn. Tell me thank you in the comment section. So I always advise people use their personal accounts to run adverts on TikTok. Because when it comes to TikTok, if you are using a business page, even for all platforms, they can restrict you. Though business page has some benefits, but if you do not mind, you can use your personal account. Without wasting time, let's jump in. I built this account from zero to this point with basically running TikTok adverts. When you want to run TikTok adverts, one of the things to consider is your content. Number one, use a content that has so many of your products, that shows what you do, that shows review, feedback, and all that. Or use a content that is converting into sales. E.g., let's say I made this post. And from the comments, I got 2, 3, 4 comments of people asking if still available. That is a good post to run adverts with. So either you come up with your own content or you leverage on an existing content that is bringing in sale. Before you run adverts, content is king and it must be well done. You must put thought into it. Your prices should be there. You should have a great hook. If you want to start a business, this is one of the content that I used in running advert last year, and it did give me results. It performed well for me. And there are a lot of other content that has gone down that I have used in running adverts. Using this content I had used in the past time to run adverts as an example, I'm going to show you how your caption should look before you run adverts. When you want to run advert on TikTok, make sure your caption is as detailed as possible. If you look at this caption, I took my time to write it. It is detailed. I wrote customized jewelry, customized journal, customized key holder, customized bracelet, high quality watch, couples watch, watch organizer, jewelry boxes, 2-in-1 towel, customized necklace, plain jewelry without customization, high quality watches for men and women. It's intentional. I want the algorithm to understand that this is the content in the video that I am running adverts for. Then I did a voiceover marketing my product. Content is very important when it comes to adverts. When you miss your content, your advert will not convert. Now let's listen to this advert. If you want to start a business, but you do not even know where to start from, the right supplier, the right product, good quality products that would give you rest of mind, Job Collections is where you should be shopping. This is not Cho. We deliver everywhere. We send out orders every day. Wholesaler, bulk buyer, want varieties of products, customized products, non-customized products. We have a lot of products in stock. In this way, you are not restricted to sell just one product. You can be rest assured that our products are of the finest quality that you cannot get elsewhere with the price that we give you. It is not. Now let me stop here. Here are the things you should note from this video. I showed proof of packing out orders. This is an example of orders. So not be cho. I showed different videos of different things we sell. Now let's move on. Then I use related hashtag. This is the first step that you have to get right. Now let's move on. After getting this right, the next thing is to fund your account. Make sure there's money. There's a detailed video on my channel where I explained how to fund your TikTok account and reduce tax, because TikTok charge a high tax. I'm going to link that video at the end of this video so we do not waste time. Now let's go straight to running adverts. To run adverts, click on this 3 button down. Okay, can you see it? You click on it, then you see increase view. Click on increase view. If you are feeling me, tell me in the comment section that though I'm feeling you. You have to feel me. So TikTok would usually give you 5 options. However, I have tried it in past times running adverts with all this deselected, and honestly it didn't do well. So I would normally just stick to one content. Bless me. Tell me bless me in the comment section. This also, I would normally stick to one content. This is why it helps me do my targeting in a way that is just to one audience, rather than pick different content that could speak to different people and I'm just confused in my targeting. So what I would usually do is I just close all this their recommendation, pick the one I'm going for, confirm it. When it comes to your goal, I hope I'm recording. When it comes to your goal, there are different goals and I have tried up to 8. We have get lists where you can click on more messages, more phone calls, other messaging app. You can click on get sales. You can do boost live. For this one, you would do a live video. So you boost it before you go live. You can do boost accounts. You can do other messaging app where you direct people to WhatsApp or Facebook. But most times it's not advisable. I've tried this WhatsApp and Messenger. It didn't really work well because all these platforms do not like each other. If you from TikTok, WhatsApp is their competitor. If you want to direct people to WhatsApp, they have issues with it. Even Instagram would not want you to direct people to other places. So you have to catch the drift. So I've done this, I just wasted my money. So you don't waste yours. If you want a detailed breakdown of how TikTok advert works, I have a course where I shared how TikTok advert works, the step by step. Because to prepare your page, there's one you have to do first. You want this advert, it gives you this, then you now move to the next stage. All those breakdown are in the course. Content, budget, or why TikTok would reject your advert, possible solution, guidelines to follow. Because when it comes to guidelines, TikTok is brutal. How to build your account. But for the sake of this video, let's just continue. You could say you want to pick TikTok messages, right? For targeting, you can decide to choose your own audience, where you pick gender, you pick age range, you pick particular interest. However, you cannot pick location. That is why your caption must be well detailed. That is why in your video you must state what you do, where you are. Verbally talk about the location you have in your video. Also add the location tag. Let me go back to the location. So this is the location tag. When you're about to post, you see where you can add location. Let me go there. Let me do as if I want to make a post. So let's say I'm trying to post this place where you can see location. Pick a location of where you are and where you want TikTok to show your adverts more. So if you're in Lagos, you could just pick Lagos generally, and it works so well for me. Then you put your detailed caption and you post. Then there's the budget you also have to consider. You could do as low as 820 per day, or you do as high as 1 million naira in a day, 1.4 million naira if $10 is your uncle. So the budget you should pick really depends on what you sell. If you sell very affordable items, TikTok people are awoofu ni wọ́n like awoofu gan, they like awoofu a lot. So if your items are ridiculously cheap, honestly, with 2k per day you pack sales on TikTok, I dey tell you. But if your item is luxury high end, you have to use good money to look for good money. You have to increase it to some amount that will make sense. Duration, you can do up to a month. However, I stick with doing, let's say, 10-15 days. Here is why. If you do a month for TikTok advert, TikTok is money for hand, back for grand. They will deduct all your payments once. So they will take the money off your account. And if you stop it, you have to wait till the day the advert is meant to end before they refund you your money. I do not know, maybe that has even changed because it's been so long I asked for a refund. I just stick with 10 days. When it ends, I do another one or I just extend it. So if it's a month and maybe halfway you feel like this thing is not converting really good, you need to wait for like a month before you collect your money. If you're familiar with running Instagram adverts, for Instagram, right? If you want to run advert, they deduct your money daily. So you have chances to top it at any point if it's not working. So I'll usually do 10-15 days. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will just do a day. Right? You agree to terms. I would usually do 10 days. You agree to terms and you make payments. But I'm not gonna pay because I do not plan to use this to run adverts. And voila, you start packing these sales. I hope you find this video valuable. If you'd like to learn more, I have a detailed course that will teach you how to run TikTok adverts that convert. Because in a 10-minute video, I cannot cover all you need for how to run TikTok adverts, the strategies, the content type, how to save your money with tax, how to pay. All those cannot be covered in this video. Send me a DM on Instagram, if you are interested. It costs 25,000 naira, and it's an investment you are going to thank yourself you made. You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely catch you in my next one. Bye guys. I love you so much.